Beijing Capital International Airport is the entry point for overseas Olympic participants. Designated gate positions, areas, pathways and lines have been set up at the airport to form a complete closed loop.
旅客从下飞机出舱门之后，通过楼上的这个海关的流调区，然后从我两侧的这个扶梯和直梯下来，就可以到达我们边检的现场来办理入境手续。
These designated areas are completely separated from other areas, and games-related personnel will not have any intersection with ordinary passengers. All personnel in the closed loop are required to use games-dedicated vehicles between designated places without any contact with people outside the loop and local citizens. From January the 4th to January the 20th, the airport recorded nearly 2,600 passenger arrivals to China for the Olympics.